Hello, I'm back again. Back to this. Okay, the other thing we can do, if we cannot do the hooks here somewhere, yeah, or anywhere. If this is kind of actually what I'm doing now here. If this is like that, I could make a tray here, because this actually will be higher like this. It's gonna be driving like that. That light will be out anyway, so I could make it on the whole length here. I could make it something, a tray, a flat surface. So this will be dragged. This will be dragged on the flat surface, yeah, like that. So I wonder, can we, on this bottom end, have those plastic pieces sticking out a bit? I'm worried, and after time, you know, with rubbing, if this will be driving like that, this rubber or whatever you use, or leather material might fail, you know, grind off. If there's any way we can sort this that kind of way, you know, extend these maybe on that side, only on that arm, and that would be fine too.